Welcome to AI Beat, where we track the pulse of the artificial intelligence revolution. Today's developments show a clear and decisive trend. AI is no longer just a disruptive technology. It's becoming an institutionalized part of our economy, our national strategy, and our creative landscape. The theme for July 25, 2025 is the construction of a permanent AI infrastructure from the hardware up to the highest levels of government. Let's begin with the new AI economy. A gold rush is happening, but it's not just about building AI models. It's about selling the picks and shovels. We're seeing a fierce battle in the hardware space, with companies like Halo actively challenging NVIDIA's dominance with new chips specifically designed for generative AI. This competition is crucial, as it will drive down costs and spur innovation in the very foundation of AI's power. Alongside the hardware, a massive professional services industry is solidifying. IT giant Kyndryl has debuted new services to help large companies integrate AI, and consulting firms are in high demand. NTT Data, for instance, has just been recognized by Gartner as an emerging leader in generative AI consulting. This shows that companies are past the point of just experimenting with AI. They are now making major investments and require expert guidance to rebuild their operations around it. And the goal of these investments is clear: to accelerate the creation of new products and services using GenAI as a core engine for rapid innovation and ideation. The impact of this maturing ecosystem is now clearly visible in our most established industries. In the creative sector, giants like Netflix and Warner Bros. Discovery are moving beyond simple experimentation. They are using generative AI for practical, high-value tasks like localizing content for global audiences and summarizing scripts to streamline production. This is AI as a powerful assistant in the creative workflow. Simultaneously, AI is making inroads in traditional industries in surprisingly sophisticated ways. In manufacturing, for example, AI is influencing how the industry engages with its youngest workers, Generation Z. Companies are using generative AI within their HR systems to create personalized training plans and automate complex scheduling, making workforce management more intelligent and tailored to the individual. This leads us to the biggest development of the day. The United States government has laid its cards on the table. The White House has released Winning the Race, America's AI Action Plan, a comprehensive policy framework with over 90 federal actions designed to accelerate U.S. innovation and secure global leadership in artificial intelligence. The plan's title alone signals its competitive framing. It emphasizes massive investment in innovation, education, and, critically, the construction of massive data centers. This is a formal national strategy that will shape research, funding, and infrastructure priorities for years to come. This national focus immediately highlights two crucial consequences. First, the geopolitical context. As the US rolls out its action plan, we see reports that technology firms in China are set to showcase their own significant AI innovations, demonstrating their resilience and continued advancement despite US sanctions. The global AI race is not just a concept, it is an active, ongoing competition between nations. Second, the environmental cost. The call for massive data centers in the US plan puts a spotlight on the enormous energy demands of AI. In a perfectly timed and highly relevant development, the National Renewable Energy Laboratory has partnered with Google to host an AI hackathon. Their goal is to use Google's own generative AI tools to find innovative solutions to the data center energy challenge. This is a critical feedback loop, using AI to solve the very problems that AI itself creates. While governments are planning at a macro level, the technology itself is becoming more personal and accessible. OpenAI has now rolled out its ChatGPT agent to all Plus, Pro, and Team users, moving the technology closer to an autonomous assistant that can perform tasks. This, combined with new customization features, signals a clear trend towards more personalized AI experiences that users can tailor to their specific needs. This trend is echoed in academia, where the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga has launched its very own generative AI tool, ChatRTC, showing how even local institutions are building bespoke AI solutions. Finally, as AI becomes more capable and widespread, the thorny questions are getting louder. There is a growing and urgent discussion around intellectual property. When an AI generates a song, a logo, or a business plan, who owns it? The programmer? The user? The AI company? The law is still catching up to the technology, and defining the legal and ethical frameworks for AI-generated content is now one of the most critical challenges facing the industry. Looking at the day's events, the picture is one of solidification. AI is being embedded into our world through new hardware, new businesses, new creative workflows, and now through explicit national policy. The dynamic is fascinating. A top-down push from governments to win a global race, and a bottom-up pull from users and developers for more personalized and powerful tools. The AI revolution is being built, brick by brick, and the plans are now public. Thank you for tuning in to AI Beat. Join us next time as we continue to track the developments shaping our world.